You have written your first attempt of JEE exam, and now you might be wondering that what could have been done right for the next attempt. So here there are three things that you can improve as a student in order to get better percentile in the next attempt of JEE. The first and the foremost thing is, at this point of time, every student realizes that I could have got little 20, 30, 40, 50 marks extra by doing very few specific things. So earlier when you went for your JEE attempt exam, you have a lot of expectation or lot of things that you wanted to do. But now you have figured out that all of that does not need to be done. There are few very specific areas, few topics of physics, chemistry or mathematics might be there that you can prepare and get better marks. So you can work on these ideas or these topics and get those 20 and 30 marks extra. Second very important thing that you should do at this point of time is just understanding those points might not be enough. You need to have a practical plan of action into place, because you will have to balance your attempt to preparation along with your board exams, because what you're getting is 10-15 days before the exam, 10-15 days after the exam, and in this duration also you will have to manage your whole board exam schedule along with it. So if you do not have a very detailed preparation strategy into place, chances are that despite you knowing it, these things might never get implemented and you might end up even at a worse situation than earlier, because everybody else is going to implement their own strategy and they might get that 10-20% extra edge. And that is the reason that most of the times the JEE cutoffs will increase by 10% in attempt 2 compared to attempt 1. If I move to the third point, the third and the most important point for this preparation would be guided preparation. So what I've seen is most of the times students will go on YouTube videos, they will go through some previous lecture notes, etc. and they will end up wasting a lot of time. So what you want at this point of time is a very precise guidance, so that every minute that you have at this point of time is going into doing the right kind of things and getting better rank in exams. Remember that everything that you are doing will not just be useful in JEE attempt 2, but lot of other exams that JEE covers as an umbrella, like BIDSET exams, VIT, etc. And definitely if you put each and every minute into right kind of preparation at this point of time, you can save enough time to get a very good branch in a very good college in India. So in order to help you out, what Pragdi is doing is we have come up with a very targeted short-term course in Pragdi, and in this course what we do is we make a customized plan based on your experiences of the first level of examination, based on whatever preparation you have done, give you a one-on-one faculty to implement that plan faster and make you write mock test paper around those ideas to track your improvement. If you want to know more about this program, check the description below. For more such useful tips and tricks, you can follow Pragdi's YouTube channel and get the extra edge that you need.